Good evening, it is Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this Honda Jazz. This is a 1.3 with a CVT gearbox. Brian is my name. If there's any information you want on this car, please do give me a call, text, WhatsApp 086 843 1945. Fitzpatrick's, we are a family-run business in operation for almost 70 years. So this car here, as we were saying, is an automatic version of the Honda Jazz. Looking at the front of the car, it is the newer version. So if you compare it to this guy over here, this is the previous generation before. So just bearing in mind the way the chrome is on the top of the grille and the softer front bumper, whereas the new bumper has become nice and big and aggressive, so it looks really, really nice at the front. And then after that, we've got chrome on bottom and top parts of the grille as well. The car after that then, these headlamps in through here, these are daytime running lights down through there. These are your parking lights, and then your headlamps will be going from dip to full, depending if you've got traffic coming or not. So at night time they come on themselves, and they also decide when to dip and all that kind of stuff as well. Parking sensors are standard on the front of the car. As we move down the side, we'll have emergency brake assist, emergency brake distribution. These are a really nice 15-inch alloy wheel with Michelin tires as standard from the factory, which is a really, really good tire. As you move down the side of the car, there's steel bars for side impact protection all the way along. But I suppose some of the things in these Jazzes is they are in the smaller segment of the market in terms of size of car. They're actually really big. So the first thing I would say to you is, and again I can send you more details because unfortunately this one is in, as you can see, the showroom, and the showroom is not too forgiving when it comes to light and stuff like that. But the boot is very, very big in the back, and what is also good about the Jazz is it's actually the access in the rear. So if you open this up, people have put animals, they've put wheelchairs, golf clubs, all that kind of stuff in under the seats. So what I mean is you lift this lad here, and then it folds up, and the same is applicable on the other side, and you end up getting a really, really tall area in through there. But it's very convenient because if you want to drag stuff, rather than have to drag stuff out of from the floor into the boot, it's actually allowing you a lower kind of access point. Again, it's kind of hard to see there at the moment. I'll show you again if you want. I can send you a more personalized video on it anyway. To drop that back down, all you're doing is like so. Electrics for windows will be standard on the rear, child locks in through here, and then after that, if you sit in the back of these cars, that seat's all the way back at the moment. Light's not set up. That seat's all the way back. Look how much legroom I have in front of me. It is really crazy, like that size of, like, it's just so big. So again, but the thing about it is, if you want a car that is not overly big in terms of maneuverability and all that kind of stuff, Jazzes are brilliant that way. There's so much space in the back of them, but they're still technically a small car. So overall, they're very, very easy for maneuvering and all that kind of stuff. In terms of the rear, you will have parking sensors on the back, and we also saw there's parking sensors on the front of the car. Safety-wise, we'll have side impact protection airbags, curtain ones up high. The obviously steering wheel and dashboard on the passenger side has airbags, and it's also got some other safety features which are quite cool, which means when it drifts out a lane, it'll warn you if you've drifted out of your lane. It'll also tell you the current speed zone that you're in. So if you're in a 50, 80, 100 kilometers an hour, it'll actually warn you, and you can set up a limiter for that as well. After that then, it'll also, if it detects that you haven't, say, hit the brakes going towards a car like that under 32 kilometers an hour, it's going to try and stop you. After that then, we will have Honda Connect, which I'll show you in another video, which is your touch and swipe, and it's also got all your things like, we'll say, mobile phone and text messaging and audio and all that kind of stuff. Air conditioning is going to be standard on this particular car, and then the main thing in here is it has that automatic gearbox with paddle shift, so we can go up or down our gears using this here, or else we can just rely on the car to do everything for us. So that's the significant thing on it. And the car is 200 quid per year for road tax. So in terms of running costs, they're extremely reliable, extremely economical, but very, very frugal to run. So if you want information on the car, 086 843 1945. Brian is my name at Fitzpatrick's.